Have you ever prepared for an English conversation in your head and it sounded perfect, but then when you actually tried to speak, the words just disappeared?
Oh my goodness, yes! Last week, I practiced ordering food in English for 20 minutes, but when the waiter came, I completely forgot everything.
That happens because your brain knows English, but it doesn't know how to use English quickly.
So what's the solution?
Today, you'll learn 3 simple exercises that will change how your brain works with English. No more forgetting, no more thinking for 5 minutes before speaking.
And these exercises are easy?
So easy that you can start right after listening to this episode.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English Cafe. I'm Tony.
And I'm Anna. We're so happy you're here today.
Let me ask you a question. Can you understand English when you listen? Can you read English?
But when you need to speak English, your mind goes blank?
Or maybe you translate everything from your language to English and it takes too long.
If this sounds like you, keep listening. We have good news.
Before we start, please click the like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe to Fluent English Cafe. We make conversations like this every week to help you speak better English.
Tell us in the comments, what is your biggest problem when speaking English?
Okay, Tony, let me tell you about David. His story will surprise you.
Who's David?
David is from Mexico. He studied English for 8 years in school. Good grades, excellent grammar.
So he speaks well?
That's what everyone thought. But one day, an American tourist asked him, "Where is the bathroom?"
That's easy English.
David knew the answer, he knew the words, but he just stood there, silent, for almost 10 seconds.
10 seconds is a long time.
Yes, finally, he just pointed with his finger. He couldn't say the words. He felt so embarrassed.
I think many people listening understand this feeling.
Yes, you know English in your head, but it doesn't come out of your mouth.
Why does this happen?
Tony, when you wake up in the morning, what do you think?
I think I'm so tired or I don't want to get up.
And what language are those thoughts in?
My first language.
Exactly. Your thoughts happen in your first language. So when you want to speak English, your brain has to translate.
First language to English every time.
Yes, and that's slow. That's why you hesitate. That's why speaking feels difficult.
So we need to teach the brain to think directly in English?
Exactly, and I'll show you how. 3 simple exercises. Right now, you're listening to my voice, but there's another voice inside your head, right?
You mean my thinking voice, like when I think I'm hungry?
Exactly. That's your inner voice, and right now, it speaks your first language.
Yes, it does.
We're going to slowly change that voice to English, very slowly, one small step at a time.
How?
Choose 3 moments in your day. Wake up, 1 meal, and bedtime. Think 1 simple English sentence for each moment.
What should I think?
When you wake up, time to wake up. When you eat, this food is good. When you sleep, I'm so tired.
Just think it, not say it?
Just think it, inside your mind. 1 sentence, 3 times a day.
That's it?
That's it. Do this every day for 1 week. Your brain starts to connect real life with English words. No translation.
Direct connection?
Yes. After 2 weeks, these thoughts will feel natural. Then add 3 more moments.
Build slowly?
Always. Your brain needs time to create new habits.
What if I forget? What if I think in my first language?
That's normal. Don't worry. Just try again tomorrow. No pressure. This is practice, not a test.
Can I make grammar mistakes?
Yes, your inner voice can say, "Coffee good," instead of, "This coffee is good." Nobody is listening except you. Now let me show you exercise number 2.
I'm ready.
Have you ever watched a movie where someone describes what they're doing? Like, "I'm walking, I see a car, I feel nervous."
Yeah, like telling their own story.
We're going to do that. You'll describe your life in English. Right now, I can say, "I'm sitting in a chair. I'm talking to Tony. I feel happy."
Just say what I'm doing?
Yes. When you cook, you can say, "I'm making eggs. The pan is hot. I'm breaking the egg.
That's easy.
It is, and it's powerful because you're practicing real English, not textbook English.
When should I do this?
Anytime you're alone, while cooking, while walking, start with 5 minutes a day.
Should I say it out loud?
If you're alone, yes, your mouth practices the sounds. If you're embarrassed, just think it.
What if I don't know a word?
2 choices. Describe it with simple words you know, or write it down, look it up later, and use it tomorrow.
So I learn vocabulary I actually need.
Exactly. And when you practice every day, speaking with real people becomes easier. You've already practiced hundreds of times.
The words come faster.
Much faster. No more long pauses, no more blank mind.
Before exercise 3, can I say something?
Of course.
If these exercises are helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.
We make easy-to-follow videos to help you speak English confidently. You don't want to miss them.
Now, which exercise will you try first? Tell us in the comments.
Ready for exercise 3? This exercise is for people who get nervous before speaking English.
That's me. My heart beats fast.
Before you have an English conversation, practice it in your mind first.
Like imagination?
Yes, but very detailed. Imagine tomorrow you're going to a restaurant. You're nervous about ordering.
Very nervous.
Tonight, close your eyes. Imagine the restaurant. See the waiter. They say, "Hello, what would you like?"
I imagine this?
Yes. Now watch yourself answer. "I'd like a chicken sandwich, please." Make it very real. Hear the voices, see the faces.
Why does this help?
When you imagine something clearly, your brain thinks it's real, so the real conversation feels familiar, not scary.
Because I already did it in my mind.
Exactly. Athletes do this before games. We can do it for English speaking.
What conversations should I practice?
Any conversation coming up. Ordering coffee, asking for directions, talking to your neighbor, even simple things.
How long?
2 or 3 minutes. Do it the night before or right before the conversation.
Should I imagine mistakes too?
Yes. Imagine forgetting a word, then describing it differently. This prepares you for real problems.
Anna, what happened to David?
I taught him these 3 exercises. Week 1, only the inner voice. 3 moments a day.
Just 3?
Just 3. After 1 week, it felt normal. Week 2, he added life narrator, 5 minutes while cooking.
And mental practice?
Week 3, he practiced supermarket conversations in his mind every night.
Did it help?
Day 4, he went shopping. When the cashier asked a question, the answer just came out. No thinking, no translating.
Automatic English?
He was so surprised. He called me and said, "Anna, I spoke without thinking."
How long total?
2 months of daily practice. Now he speaks English naturally every day. He even got a new job that requires English.
Because he became confident?
Because his brain learned to speak English automatically. No more fear, no more freezing.
Let's make this super clear. What should people do?
Week 1. Choose 3 moments. Think 1 simple English sentence for each. Time to wake up. This food is good. I'm tired.
Every day for 7 days?
Yes. Week 2, keep your 3 moments. Add life narrator for 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing.
Week 3?
Keep everything. Add mental practice. Before any English conversation, practice it in your mind for 2 minutes.
And keep going?
Yes. By week 6 or 7, you'll notice big changes. English thoughts appearing without trying. Speaking faster, feeling confident.
And this becomes natural?
It becomes your lifestyle, but it won't feel like work anymore. If you're still listening, you're serious about improving.
Don't just listen and forget. Start today. Choose your 3 moments right now.
And subscribe to Fluent English Cafe. We're here every week to help you.
Leave a comment telling us which exercise you'll start with.
Come back next week and share your progress. Your success might inspire someone else.
We believe in you. Your brain can learn to speak English automatically.
It just needs the right practice, and now you know what to do.
Thank you for listening to Fluent English Cafe.
Keep practicing, keep believing.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.